Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter The Desert. Okay, the students already have seen the chapter and you know the story about it. Okay, so now today we'll discuss these question answer. First of all, when we speak about the desert, camel is very important part of the desert. Okay, it's also known as the sheep of the desert. Okay, because it works like that and it helps people in many ways. Okay, so we'll start now discussing the question answer. Let's start. Comprehension check. Question number 1. From the first paragraph, pick out two phrases which describe the desert as most people believe it is. Here the answer would be, the two phrases would be an endless stretch of sand, and next is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter. Okay, because here it is saying that to pick out two phrases which describe the desert as most people believe it is. Means people, what do they believe? They believe that it is a endless stretch of sand, means desert is full of sand. And second thing, they believe that is desert is always dry, it's hot, it is waterless and without shelter. Okay, let's see question number 2. Pick out two phrases which describe the desert as specialists see it. Okay, and here the question is asking that how the specialist they see our desert. Okay, now first question we saw about is how the people see it. Okay, how people see that desert is, and now here the specialist, how the specialist see the desert is. Okay, the question answer would be, the two phrases are a beautiful place. See, specialists believe that desert is not just only a endless stretch of sand or dry or waterless without shelter, all that, but specialists believe that it's a beautiful place. Okay, and second thing is the home of variety of people, animals and plants. That means specialists believe that there are variety of people live there, different people live there, and also we are able to find out different animals and plants. Okay, now next see, which do you think is an apt description and why? Here, which do you think is an apt description? Apt description means accurate description, you think, and why? Either the first one, the what do the people believe, okay, people believe, or what do the specialist believe. Okay, so what is the correct one you think and why, that you have to give the answer. So the answer is, the descriptions of specialist is apt because they speak on the basis of their study. Okay, so here we can write this question answer as, the description of specialist is apt because they speak on the basis of the study. Okay, specialist always means they study what is the exact things around and what is that, then only they means believe and do it. Okay, so we go through the second ones. Okay, now let's see ahead. Question number 2. Question number 2. The phrases on the left in the following box occur in the text. Match each of them with a phrase on the right. So here, my dear students, you have to match what is matching with each other. Okay, let's see the first one. An endless stretch of sand. The answer would be nothing but sand as far as one can see. Here the meaning is same. Here first one, it is saying that an endless stretch of sand means wherever we are seeing only sand is seen. Okay, so here the answer is saying the same thing, nothing but sand is seen as far as one can see. जितने दूर तक हम देखेंगे तब तक only we can see only sand. Okay, answer one is this one. Okay, number 2. waterless and without shelter. It is saying waterless and without shelter. The answer is no water and no shade. Here you can see no water and no shade. Okay, here saying waterless and without shelter means some people believe that there is in desert there is no water and it is without shelter, there is no place for living. So here it is saying no water and no shade means there is no water and shade also is not there. Number 3, an oasis. The students, you know what is oasis? In the desert places there is some places where there are few trees around and there is a sweet water for drinking. Okay, so that place is called a oasis. Oasis is a beautiful place to be seen. Okay, so what is the answer? An oasis. Okay, an oasis, the answer would be fertile place with water and plants in a desert. So this is the answer for that, number 3. Number 4, hidden by a cover of grass. Hidden by a cover of grass. The answer is not visible because the grass is thick. Okay, here hidden by a cover of grass, it is saying that it is hidden and covered with the grass. Same thing is saying here, not visible because of the grass is thick. The grass has grown tall enough and so it is not visible. Okay, now next see. I hope today it is enough. You complete up to here on itself. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that next question. Today you complete that question number comprehension check. This full you have to complete. Okay, and then also you need to complete this match the following. Okay, this you have to complete. Okay student, I hope you have understood well. Thank you, have a nice day.